Hi, I have a really fun new Be Happy box to show you. I haven't even looked at it yet, so come along with me and let's check it out. Okay, first some info. This box will be available on the Happy Planner website on Tuesday, June 7th at 9 a.m. Pacific time. It is a limited edition box, so once it's gone, as far as I know. Also, I always get this question, is this stuff going to be available outside the box? I do not know. Sometimes they make specific items available separately, sometimes they do not, but I don't have that information. I'm going to put an affiliate link down below in the description box. I'd really appreciate it if you use my link if you plan to purchase this. You can bookmark that and then you can go on and you just shop as normal. It's just that I get a tiny little commission. So thank you for that. Listen, I love all things tropical. I love Be Happy boxes, and we've never seen Stitch on anything Happy Planner. So I'm really excited about this. All right, I know you're like, get to the box, open it up, open it up. Okay, whew. Calm down, let's open the box. And I opened it before and I looked at it and I was like, I wanna open it, but I'm waiting. And I haven't seen what's inside, but look at this. There's Stitch, like this is so pretty. This is really pretty. All right, so I'm very excited about this. Are you excited? Let's go. Aloha. The paper's so pretty. It's like, look at this. It's like ombre, like all these colors. Okay. Today looks bright. Aw. This is telling you everything that's inside the box. I'm not gonna let you see it yet. It's a surprise, but I'm gonna look at it in case I have questions on what something is. Okay, let's pull this aside. I'm gonna show you each thing one at a time. So first off, we have some vinyl stickers. Looks like a couple of them. And you can put these on anything you want, like water bottle, obviously. You can put it on your laptop. You can put them in your planner. Like you can put them anywhere, really. They're thicker than regular stickers, as you know. Like they're vinyl, but look. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. This one says chill vibes. Really bright, like colorful colors. Really bright colors, really, really pretty. I love the tropical vibe. Okay, so now we have a patch. Actually, they're calling it a textured sticker. Stitch is known to be mischievous, but always kind. Keep this textured sticker as a reminder to do the same. There, it goes that way, sorry. So it's a sticker, and you can put that on anything as well. Look, it's embroidered. Really cute. Okay, next up we have a pencil pouch, a pen pouch, a pouch, a snap-in pouch. How many times can I say pouch? It has a gold zipper. That's what the inside looks like. It's just plain white. But these are good because you can pop these into your planner. The only planner you probably can't pop this in is a mini, but any other planners, it will fit, you know, even if it's a big. And you can keep your pens and pencils, or you can keep your extra stickers, whatever you want. Be kind, stay silly, love more. Next up, we have a pocket folder. That's so cute. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Look at those flowers. So pretty. I see a sticker book, but we're gonna wait on that. I'm gonna make you wait. Torture. It's torture, I tell you. I would do a Stitch voice, but like, you don't want that. No one wants that. I don't even want that. So we have a notebook. It's a Happy Notes notebook. This is a classic size. It has these pink metal discs. Okay, it says never lose your sense of wonder. And this is like purpley foil here. Let's check it out. It's a dotted lined layout. So I love like this color block effect on the inside. We've got some dust there. That's not part of the design. And there's Stitch. Welcome to your Happy Notes. So cute. I probably will repurpose these dividers unless I keep this for something, because I could totally see making a spread with these. You know how I love to repurpose stuff and cut stuff up. I might be doing that with these. Be kind, stay silly, love more. Look at this paper though. Look at the paper. That is so cute. Look at That is so cute. So the other side says, never let go of your dreams. And we have this really fun tropical leaf middle here. And it's going to be on both sides so that, you know, if you look at it this way, it's just really pretty and cute, isn't it? I think so. So they're all going to be like that. Let's check out the dividers though. Chase your dreams. Just be kind. Good vibes. Make today amazing. I don't know why this one's not. Ugh. Ugh. Get down there. Okay, sorry. User error. Okay, never let go of your dreams. Okay, so that's the back cover. Look at this. That's so cute. That's so pretty. I love the colors here. I love the colors. So there is your Happy Notes notebook. Got some paper. It's on and on. It keeps going on. I love this paper because it's purple and blue. Look at this. It says, stay true and embrace your journey. There's Stitch going down the page with some leaves, but it's blue on one side and purple on the other side. The best things happen unexpectedly. I like that. I love that it's like two colors like this. That's really fun. That's really fun. Like I would love having a notebook. Like I'll probably put it in that notebook or another one and I can just like have both colors, you know, and it's like a nice, ooh, I really like it actually. I really like that idea. Okay, sorry, get very excited about paper sometimes. All right, this is a vision board. Sorry for the noise, sorry for the noise, sorry for the noise. Dream. Okay, so they're calling it a vision board. It says manifest big goals and hopeful wishes with this vision board that snaps into your classic size Happy Planner items. So, ooh, look at the holographic leaves. That's really cool. You know, pop your dreams down on there. Write all your dreams down and Stitch can help you fulfill your dreams in your planner. Okay, last but certainly not least in my book is the Stitch sticker book. Yes, we have a Stitch sticker book and it is a, I don't know why Stitch sounded like Stitch. It's a large size, so it is not the value pack and it is not the mega, it is the large, which is like becoming one of my favorite sizes of the sticker books, if not my favorite size, because I love the big stickers. Okay, let's check these out. Good times. This is clear paper. So we have like this holographic kind of silvery look. Aloha, be brave. Start each day with a grateful heart. Chill vibes. Today looks bright. Good things are coming. Be kind, stay silly, love more. Wild. Find joy every day. Dare to begin. Loving the journey. Choose adventure. These are really big stickers. Like, let me just show you like how big that sticker is. You see, it's really big. I like that. These are all on clear so far. Actually, all of them are going to be. Stay true to you. Look at that one. That's like blue foil. That like purple, actually purple foil. And so is this. It's hard to see. Just be kind. Never lose your sense of wonder. Create your own sunshine. And then a page full of those pretty florals, which I love. And the pineapples, really cute. I wish we had like 4 pages of these. Maybe there'll be another one. I don't know. Oh wait, there is paper in here. Look, paper. Good vibes. There's Stitch again. Good things are coming. Kind words cost nothing. Today looks bright. Dream big. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Love life. Live life well. Dreaming of paradise. We have some foil on here, that purple foil. Do what makes your heart shine. Good things are coming. Stay silly. Wild and free. Oh, look at this page. Isn't he cute? In all his little poses. He's gnawing on that pineapple, or maybe just smiling, but looks like he's like, you know. Little stitches. Baby stitches. Okay, so we have holographic stickers here. Good times. All that like kind of thing. Chillin'. So all that kind of thing, but in holographic. I don't know why this one's on here because that's not holographic, but anyway. Well, neither are these. Never mind. Never mind. Well, those have like the outline though. I guess my point is like this does not have a holographic outline. So all the other ones seem to. So whatever. And if you don't like the holograph, you know, part of it around the edges, you can certainly cut around it with like, you know, scissor, like fussy cut scissors or something, or an X-Acto. Like, it's not that hard, except maybe his little fingers might be tough. The pineapple you could do. And these, oh my gosh, these are so cute. They're really cool. I like the holograph. Like, I like how there's some behind it so I can use it for other stuff. I like the holographic. I don't like it in every spread, but I think it's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool, and there's lots of different ways you can use that. Maybe I'll do a holographic spread with these to kind of show you what you can do. So that's everything. What a cute little box of stuff. Like, so cute. There's a lot of stuff in here. So this box will be available on Tuesday, June 7th at 9 a.m. Pacific time on the Happy Planner website. I will link it down below for you. I'd really, really appreciate it if you use my affiliate link. Thank you for that. And let me know in the comments what you think of this little gem of a cutie box. All right. Take care, you guys. Have a nice day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.